Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here. I am back with one more video. In this video, this is actually a very important video. In this video, I am going to launch a new service. You know that since many years I am giving intraday calls in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I was not giving positional calls. So there was a big demand for positional calls, and people were saying I should start positional calls also. I was not that much interested because intraday calls were doing fantastically well, and they are still doing very good. But because some traders are not able to do the intraday trading because of their work schedule and all, so I also thought I should start intraday. I should start positional. So this video is all about what is the service, how the call will be given, what would be the accuracy and everything. We are going to discuss it in detail. Before that, in this video, I would like to thank all of my subscribers, my clients, my followers on YouTube channel, on Facebook page, on Facebook account, in Telegram channel, because almost 1 year back, I'm talking about December 2019. So 1 year back, when it was a situation of pandemic and some uncertainty was there, everybody was scared, everybody was under panic, and that time I decided that on this YouTube channel, I was worried how I would support my followers, my clients, and my subscribers on various channels. So I decided to give demo call on every Thursday. Before that also I was giving demo calls, but it was not every week. But since last December, January, I decided to give demo call every week, and with the grace of God and the blessings of all you people, that mission is now successful. Last 1 year, not a single week was missed. Every week I was able to give the demo calls. Every day I was able to give calls to my paid clients. With the blessings of all of you people, there was no halt, there was no rest, there was no stopping for one single day. Every day I was working, my health was fine, fantastic, and every week I was able to give the demo calls on this channel. So this is the YouTube channel Sunil Suklal Pawar. Already 16,000 subscribers are there. So these are the videos of demo calls. If you see, if you go down, and in this period of lockdown, almost 1 year, you can see here it is 27th of November, it is 1 year ago. So 12th of December, 13th of the December, 19th of the December, 6th of December. So every week there was a demo call, every week there was a demo call, and I can tell you people, you can check all these videos, and the accuracy was almost more than 90%. Only 10% calls have failed, but 90% of these videos have given profit. So every week I was giving demo call, and it was almost profitable. So thanks all of you for this type of support and blessings. I could do this. I can slowly scroll up so that you can see the demo calls of all the demo calls which I have given on this channel. This channel is a very special channel where you will only get the calls, nothing else. There is no other knowledge, there is no other video. All the videos, only the demo call. Demo call, its performance. Demo call, its performance. So all these videos and their performance you can check for the whole entire 1 year, and I was able to serve my followers, my subscribers, and I am feeling really grateful for that. So friends, now in this video, so after a successful run-up of intraday service, now through this video I am launching my positional service for Nifty Bank Nifty. Positional means I will give call on Sunday, and from Monday the trader would be taking the position, and that position he will hold till Thursday, till that weekly expiry. So same way the call will be updated on website. The client has to take the ID and password to see the calls. Without ID and password he cannot see. So to get the ID and password he has to subscribe for the services, and the name of the service will be income option. Income option is basically, I have kept the name income option, means it would be kind of weekly income, because a lot of people who are busy with the jobs and the work, they will also be able to do this option trading very easily. I have made it so simple. So this way the calls will be given on the website. After login, the client can see and can go down. So I had given this call on 21st of December. 21st of December was Monday. On 20th December, on Sunday, I had released this call, and this call is seen by few selective clients, and they were very happy. Before that, before releasing this call to few clients, I have back tested this software. This is basically a software that I have designed for positional calls. So I have back tested it, and the result was very good, fantastic. You will get similar result as you are getting in intraday services. So this call was given, so quickly we can check what was the call and how was the performance. So this way the call will be given. Before we check the performance, I will tell you the rules. What is the rule book for trading these calls? So this is the rule book. Rule number 1 is entry in trade only when call or put crosses its entry price. It means same way just like intraday, same as in intraday service. Here call and put both will be given. Both will be given on Sunday. From Monday, if call crosses the entry price, buy call. If put crosses the entry price, buy put. So here Nifty call 13,800. If crosses 82.30, then buy, otherwise not. Nifty put 13,700. If crosses 104.22, then buy, otherwise not. Bank Nifty call 30,800. If crosses 346.84, then buy, otherwise not. Bank Nifty put 30,700. If crosses 339.99, then buy, otherwise not. Either call will cross the entry price or put will cross the entry price at a time. So here we are not buying both, we are buying only one option, which is crossing the entry price. Now rule number 2 is divided in two parts. Rule number 2A. If option opens with gap up, then wait for given buy level and enter at the level. For example, Nifty call 13,800, entry price is 82.30. If it opens at, let us say, 95, then you wait for 82 to come. When it comes down to 82, then you can buy. This is rule number 1. Rule number 2 for entry, that is 2B, is if option opens gap up, then buy one lot at the gap up level and other lot below the buy price, so that your average price is equal to entry price. For example, Nifty call 13,800, entry price is 82.30. It opens around 95, you buy 95 to 93, 92, and you buy at 92. You buy at 92. One lot you buy at 92. Entry price is 82. So one lot you buy at 92. If it is gap up, buy at 92. Other lot keep order, normal market order for 72. For 72, if you buy other lot, one lot you already bought at 92, other lot you buy at 72, so your average price becomes 82. So that way also entry can be done. double the quantity of next trade when stop loss is hit means if call hits stop loss by double quantity of put or call, whichever activate. Let us say the trader entered into Nifty call 13,800 at the price of 82.30. Nifty call trader entered at 82.30, but that call did not give first target and it has hit the stop loss. For example, it hits the stop loss. Stop loss is 41.53. Stop loss is this. This is the stop loss. So 41.53, if stop loss is hit, then exit. First step is exit the trade, and then wait for put to activate. So if put 13,700 crosses 104.22, then buy. Otherwise, if again call crosses entry price of 82.30, first it has hit the stop loss, but again call is activating, put did not activate, put did not cross the entry price, and again call activates, then again you can buy call with the double quantity. So if trader entered into call but it hit the stop loss, then he will exit on the stop loss. He will wait for put to activate. If put activates, he will buy double quantity of the put. If put does not activate and call again activates, then he will buy double quantity of the same call. So this is the rule. If target is hit, then book one lot and keep trailing stop loss for other lot. For example, trader entered into Nifty call 13,800 at 82.30. Target, this is the entry price, this is the target 123.08. Target 1 is hit. So the trader will bring its stop loss on 82.30 at the cost price. Original stop loss was 42.53. Original stop loss was 41.53. That stop loss was brought to 82.30 when target 1 is hit. Then if target 2 is hit, then bring your stop loss on target 1. If target 3 is hit, then bring your stop loss on target 2. If target 4 is hit, then bring your stop loss on target 3. If target 5 is hit, then bring your stop loss on target 4. If target 6 is hit, then bring your stop loss on target 5. And if it goes above the target 6, then you keep on trailing the stop loss with same difference. Same difference means here the difference is around how much? 40 points. So you keep on trailing your stop loss by 40 points. So this is how it is applicable for call put for Nifty, Bank Nifty both. Book position when trailing stop loss is hit. For example, Nifty trader entered into call 13,800, then call target 1 is hit. Then he will bring his stop loss on buy price. If target 2 is hit, he will bring his stop loss on target 1. If target 3 is hit, he will bring his stop loss on target 2. If target 4 is hit, he will bring his stop loss on target 3. And from there, after hitting target 4, if market reverses and comes back to target 3, then he will close his position and his trading is over for the week. Same way for put and same way for Nifty and Bank Nifty both. How much is the capital required? For 2 lots trading means 1 lot Nifty, 1 lot Bank Nifty, 60k is required because of rule number 3. Rule number 3, double the quantity of next trade when stop loss is hit, means if you are buying 1 lot of Nifty and 1 lot of Bank Nifty, if that hits the stop loss, then you will buy, let us say call hits the stop loss, put activates, so you will buy double quantity of put, 2 lots, 2 lot of Nifty, 2 lot of Bank Nifty. If again that hits the stop loss, then you will buy 3 lots of whatever call or put, whichever is activating. So first trade with 1 lot, stop loss hit, second trade with 2 lots, stop loss hit, third trade with 3 lots, and if target hit, all of your losses recovered, you book on target. So whenever double stop loss is hit, for example, you entered into call with one lot, stop loss is hit. You entered into put two lots with two lots, stop loss hit. Again call activated and you entered into call with three lots. Here, while doing trade with three lots or triple the quantity, please remember you should exit the trade immediately after your loss is recovered. Now do not try to make profit out of this trade. On third trade, you are recovering your loss, you just exit and close the trade for the week. Do not expect it to go ahead. So third trade means we will strictly book all the lots on target. At the moment our loss is recovered, you will exit and wait for next week calls. Call time will be given on every Sunday. Positions to be taken from Monday till Thursday. Sunday I will release this positional call. Positions to be taken from Monday position will be taken, it will be kept till Thursday depending on how many targets are hit. If target 2 is hit, 3 is hit, 4 is hit, here you are not counting the days. This is a positional service. Here we are not looking at the days, we are only looking at the targets and stop losses. So if targets are coming, you just keep on trailing the stop losses and do not look at the days. So you just carry your position on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You just keep trailing your stop loss. If trailing stop loss is hit, then only exit. So here do not look at the days. This is positional, you just have to carry the position. Intraday versus positional. See, intraday, every day there is a call, every day there is a trade, so obviously the profit would be on a higher side. Positional, there would be only one call in a week, and that is why sometimes profit would be less, sometimes profit would be big. If there is a big rally in that week, you will get a big profit. If there is a small rally in the week, trader will get less profit because it's only one call in a week. So this is the difference between intraday and positional. Now I had given this call on the 21st of December, so we will check the performance of this call. So this is Nifty call 13,800. This is Nifty call 13,800. You can see this. This is Nifty call of 13,800. This is 21st of December. This call was given on 20 of December. 20th December the call was given, and from 21st December the entry was to be taken. So this is the call 13,800. Entry price was 82.30. So here we can see its high is only 73, so it did not cross the entry price. This is number one. So there is no trade in Nifty call 13,800 this week. So next is 13,700 put. Put, again you can see put 13,700, and this is 21st of December, this is 21st of, these are the dates, this is expiry date, these are the dates. So 21st of December, entry open was 80.10, our entry price was 104, entry price was 104.22, so entry was easily made, and same day it has hit 573. If you can see this, 573. So entry was at 104, then it hit the target 1, then stop loss was brought on the cost on the buy price, then it hit the target 2, stop loss was brought on target 1, then it hit the target 3, stop loss was brought on target 2, then target 4 was hit, stop loss was brought on target 3, then target 5 was hit, stop loss was brought on target 4, then target 6 was also hit and stop loss was brought on target 5, and this way stop loss was kept trailing, and somewhere close was 392, so somewhere 400 and 450 the trailing stop loss triggered. So money became 4 times, money became 4 times in a week in Nifty put. Nifty call there was no entry, Nifty put money went up 4 times in single day actually. So that day the trader closed the positions and then the trading is over for the day. Now let us check 30,800 call Bank Nifty. Same way, if you see here high 275 and if you see the call entry price 346, so Bank Nifty call 30,800 did not cross the entry price, and that's why there was no entry, and that's why there was no trade. But Bank Nifty put 30,700, the entry price was 339.99. This is put, this is 30,700. It opened at 458, made a low of 351. So here, as per rule 2B, if option opens gap up, then buy one lot at gap up level and other lot below the buy price, so your average price becomes the entry price. So there the trader could buy at 355, 360, somewhere around that price, and then it did not come down for the averaging, so that one lot kept on going up and trader could only trail its stop loss. When target 1 was hit, stop loss was brought on cost, target 2 was hit, stop loss was brought on target 1, target 3 was also hit, so stop loss was brought on target 2, target 4, 5, 6 all were hit, and stop loss was brought on target 4, 5 and 6 respectively. And if you see here, it has hit 1507. If you can see, it has hit 1507. So stop loss was kept on trailing, and somewhere around 1200, trailing stop loss was hit. Close price was 1300. So somewhere 1200 stop loss was hit. Actually next day it has made high of 1700. So here somewhere around 1250 stop loss, trailing stop loss was hit. So money almost 4 times in Bank Nifty put, and their trades closed, and the trading was over for the day. So the difference between the positional service and intraday services: intraday you take advantage of each fall and rise of the intraday. In positional you will get the benefit, you will get the chance of trading or chance of profit only if there is a big rally in that week. So in intraday there will be everyday trade, and the positional there would be hardly 1 or 2 trades in a week. So both services are different, both services are fantastic, both services are good. If you ask me, profit would always be on a higher side in intraday, because there you are working hard, you are taking every trade, you are managing your trades well, so obviously the profit would be on higher side. Here you are only taking 1 or 2 trade. In positional, the difference is you just take 1 trade and you just every day you just keep on trailing stop loss. That is the only work. You do not have to check the calls and trades every day. You just keep on trailing the stop loss. You just put your trailing stop loss in system and forget the trade. So this way the positional services perform. So this is the call. This is the call. If you can see, this is the call for 28th of December. So this is call for tomorrow. From tomorrow we will track it, and till 31st of December we will track it. So this is the demo call that I am giving. This demo call you can track next week, and after 31st of December I will update the video of the performance also, how this has happened, how these calls performed as per the rules given in rule book. So intraday services, as they were extremely rocking services. People have seen the performance of intraday services. They have performed extremely well. So let us hope this positional services will also perform similarly. And you can contact me on my contact number. My contact number is visible everywhere in YouTube and in my Telegram channel, on my Facebook, everywhere contact number is visible, 989081207. So you can contact me for all type of services now, for intraday service also, for positional service also. So friends, let us watch this call which I am giving through this video, and after a week I will update the performance. So thanks friends, thanks for watching this video, and share all these videos and channels with all of your friends so that everybody takes benefit of this knowledge and these calls.